Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Changelly. So as you can see that currently I'm in my Changelly account. So you just have to simply launch the Changelly mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now over here on the home page, you will be able to see BTC. So you need to tap on BTC and then it will show you its chart where you can just apply your trading skills and you can mark the best price for you. Then you need to tap on the buy option in the bottom and enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. Afterwards, it will show you the equivalent amount of Bitcoin that you are going to get. In the bottom of it, you will also be able to see this best choice option. So let Changelly select the best payment method for you. But if you want to change it, you can tap on this drop down menu and you can select your own provider as well. Now tap on the next option in the bottom and here you will see the destination address and some of the information about your transaction details. So here it is showing you that no wallet yet, so you need to just create one in order to get started. So tap on it and you can download the wallet from Google Play Store. This is the non-custodial wallet that is provided by Changelly. So you will have to create your account here and from there you will have to provide the destination address. You can even scan the QR code by tapping on this QR code option. Afterwards, you need to press confirm in the bottom and then you just have to select your favorable method and conclude your payment. Once your payment is completed successfully, you will be able to get your Bitcoin in your Changelly app in no time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.